Strategy 7. Record notes. At this point, we have several websites open in different tabs. We've found useful information about our topic, and now we're ready to paste notes from these sites into our digital notebook. Sometimes after students take notes from the internet, they discover later that they've forgotten where their notes came from, and they have a hard time finding their good web pages again. So the main idea of this strategy is to use tags to match each quote to its web address. Here's how we'll do it. First, we'll copy the web address where we found good information into our digital notebook. Then we tag it with a letter. Then we copy the information and we tag it with the same letter. Here's an example of a high school student's digital notebook about Martin Luther King's early years. Notice that this student found 3 good websites, and he pasted each one of their URLs into his digital notebook, and he tagged each URL with a letter. Then, each time he found a note he wanted to paste in his notebook, he copied the quote from the web page and tagged it with the same letter. Later on, when this student started to write an outline for his paper, he pasted all of these URLs into a reference list, and then he pasted his quotes under topics that he wanted to write about, but he was careful to bring the tags along with the quotes so that he could always refer down to his reference list to remember where he found that quote. So now that we know where we're headed, let's learn the details of how to record notes from the internet into a digital notebook.